Have you already covered some basic driving skills but still have limited practice? If you've had very little driving experience but still want to get your license fast, then our 35-hour course could be ideal for you. It's a great course for a learner who can drive along a straight road but still needs a lot of work to get up to test standard. During this course, you'll gain all the skills you need to become test ready. This course is typically taken over 2 to 6 weeks and includes 34 hours of tuition with a local, experienced DVSA approved instructor, plus a practical test, which we will book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could get your licence in just weeks after booking. Although this is a longer course, it's both fast and flexible, with evening and weekend lessons available. You can control the pace, and you can even personalise your course, including adding a theory test. Just book online or over the phone, and we will do the hard work for you.